Ford's new EV truck. Learning from Rivian's repair costs, Ford is overhauling how it builds electric vehicles, EVs, with a focus on simplicity and affordability. The company is moving away from traditional construction methods involving hundreds of small parts toward using massive aluminum castings, similar to Tesla's gigacasting approach. This shift aims to reduce manufacturing costs, lower repair expenses, and prevent the high repair bills some Rivian owners have faced. The problem with traditional EV builds historically. EVs like the Rivian R1T have been assembled from numerous individual components. While innovative, this can lead to extremely expensive repairs after even minor accidents. The integrated design of some EV panels means even small damage can require replacing entire sections, driving up insurance costs and frustrating customers. This is what Ford is trying to avoid. Gigacasting. Ford's new approach involves using just two massive aluminum castings, one for the front and one for the rear of its upcoming EV truck. This simplifies the vehicle's structure, reducing the number of parts and making repairs more predictable. The truck is targeted to start at around $30,000, making it a more accessible option in the EV market. How it will make repairs easier. The shift to gigacasting isn't just about manufacturing. Ford has designed these castings with repairability in mind. The company has included predefined cut zones that guide technicians on where to section and replace damaged areas. Some components will also act as sacrificial parts, absorbing minor impacts to protect the larger cast sections. Why Ford has an edge? Ford has a significant advantage over Tesla: a pre-existing network of dealerships and service centers. This means technicians can be trained from the start, and repairs can be handled efficiently across a wide geographic area. Unlike Tesla, Ford doesn't have to build a repair infrastructure from scratch. What remains unclear, while the new approach should lower repair costs in many scenarios, severe crashes will still require replacing large sections, which won't be cheap. Body shops will need specialized training and tools to handle these new designs. Ford must ensure its service network is prepared for this transition. The goal is to keep insurance costs and customer headaches in check. As Ford prepares to launch more affordable electric models, Ford's decision to prioritize repairability from the start is a direct response to the challenges faced by early EV adopters. The company is betting that simplicity and predictability will win over mainstream buyers, avoiding the pitfalls of overly complex designs.